Hey everybody, hope everyone is having a great week, and probably what you guys can tell by the title, if you haven't already, you guys need to turn your post notifications on. So if you guys go down, you guys have heard it all before, it's not just me saying this, but next to the subscribe button there's a bell. Hit that bell and I'm gonna tell you why. So the first person that can tell me the first mod that we did to the Viper on the channel, I'm gonna give you something today in this video, and I'm gonna show you in a second. The second person, if you don't make that cut, tell me the first mod that we did to the S2000. I'll give you something as well. Third person, I don't know, let's make it easy. Tell me what kind of wheels are on the Viper, and I'll give you something as well. So let me show you what I'm gonna give you. Let me flip this around. So if we go into the Boosted Motorsports headquarters here, turn the corner, this is where all the editing takes place. You can see we have carbon fiber vinyl. Obviously it's not real carbon fiber, but the fake stuff. So I will give you the winner. It's your choice really. You can pick this carbon fiber vinyl, the Boosted Motorsports logo, same as you see here, or any color of your choice. I'll mail it out to you. So just a small giveaway, but these are being cut right now, so they'll be ready. If you're interested in buying one of these, it's gonna be $5 shipped. So for a limited time though, because this stuff is pricey, it's not cheap to buy, but this stuff is gonna look super killer. So this thing is just sitting there cutting it out, as you can probably see. It's gonna look like that in a second, but that'll be done in just a minute. If we go back out here, I'll show you why you guys need to turn on your post notifications. It's because I have a ton of stuff, and I've been talking to JDM Star over here. I think we need to give away some LEDs next. So I have LED decoders still sitting here in the box. I have LEDs that are fit for most of your guys' trucks. We got 9005, and I think there's some 9006 here as well. So we got a bunch of LEDs and all sorts of stuff. I also have, sitting in some of these boxes, some of the rock lighting. So we got the rock lights also. Don't worry about that, that's Hikari. Nobody will be mad about the Hikari one falling. But I also have rock lights. So I'm gonna start giving some of the stuff away, you guys. We'll put it to good use. And I'll probably show you how to install it, but a brand new rock lighting here for the trucks. So this will be pretty cool. And like I said, I want you guys to benefit it. So small giveaway today. I'm gonna give you guys some decals, some stickers for telling me, again, what's the first mod we did to the Viper, what's the first mod we did to the S2000, and if you can tell me those things, and also what kind of wheels are on the Viper, then you'll get a sticker. So anyways, you guys, short but sweet, make sure you turn on your post notifications. Here they are, you guys. If you're one of the first 3 to answer those questions, you can have these carbon fiber ones. I know it's hard to see in the light here, but these carbon fiber ones, or one of the colors of your choice, black, blue, red, or white. So there you go, you guys. Make sure you're one of the first three to answer those questions, and you'll get one of these. All right, you guys, so that's gonna do it for today's video. I have some stuff on the way. Some stuff should be showing up. A lot of guys are asking me about the bored out throttle bodies too, that I've done in the past for the Hemis. I have several of them on their way, so yeah, those will be coming too. So they're 85 millimeter true board right from one side to the other, 85 mil all the way across, and a custom throttle plate is installed, custom machined throttle plate. So I'm having those done. I should have those ready in 2, maybe 3 weeks or so. They're just in the process. I'm hoping I can offer those again here in the future, hopefully more steadily. Problem is a lot of the cores, I haven't had a lot of cores, so I'm running out of those. But yeah, I will have those soon for you guys. I'll show you guys when I get the last or next batch in. We'll go from there. Also the Boosted Motorsports merch. I'm wearing one of the t-shirts, and you'll also see the hats, not this hat, but you'll see black hats and all sorts of stuff down below. So check out that below, Teespring, it'll pop you over to there, and get yourself some of that too, support the channel, and it's much appreciated, you guys. Anyways, like I said, thanks for watching. Give it a thumbs up, turn on your post notifications, you guys, because I'm gonna give away some stuff. I'm not bluffing here. And the prizes will get better and better, but I wanna make sure everybody's alert so that you guys can all jump in and get in on the action. Anyways, thanks, see you on the next one.